Welcome back, everyone, to another explainer. I am so thrilled you're here today because we are tackling a massive, literally life-changing topic. We're looking at the absolute truth behind international student admissions. For decades, this whole path to studying abroad, it's been totally shrouded in mystery, hidden costs, and gatekeepers. But technology, it's fundamentally changing the game. It's putting the power right back where it belongs, directly in the hands of the students. Today, we're going to look at exactly how that evolution is happening, pulling directly from industry insights to demystify a platform called UROOAI. So, if the idea of studying abroad has ever felt overwhelming to you, stick around, because the data we're unpacking today shows exactly how this landscape is shifting. Okay, let's dive into this right away with a really staggering question. Why do millions of international students miss out on fully funded scholarships every single year? Seriously, think about that. It's not a lack of talent. And it's certainly not a lack of ambition. According to the research we're exploring today, the answer is frustratingly simple. They miss out because they simply never hear about them in time. These fully funded scholarships do exist globally, but the information is just incredibly siloed. There's this massive gap between the actual opportunities out there and the students who desperately need them. Now, to understand why that gap exists, we really have to look at the history of the study abroad broker industry. Let's rewind a bit. Back in the 1990s, this started out innocently enough with just word-of-mouth agents, local folks just helping students navigate some complicated paperwork. But look at what happened by the 2010s. We saw this massive, sprawling growth of gatekeepers. Fast forward to today, looking at the landscape for 2026, and it has morphed into this huge commission-driven consultancy industry. So what does that actually mean for you? Well, it means the traditional broker system has a huge incentive to limit your choices, pointing you to the universities that pay them the highest commissions, rather than the ones that are genuinely the best fit for your future. And that brings us to the solution we're analyzing today, UROOAI. What this represents is a completely AI-powered study abroad co-pilot. Instead of relying on a human agent, who, let's be honest, might have some conflicting financial interests, this platform provides an honest, completely data-driven roadmap. It connects you directly with the resources, the university links, and the application steps, completely bypassing that massive broker price tag. In fact, what's really amazing here is that the source material notes this AI access costs less than a cup of coffee a month. It's literally democratizing access to global education. So the crucial point is perfectly captured in this quote, right from the platform's core ethos. No commissions, no middlemen, no compromise. I really want you to let that sink in for a second. When you completely remove the middlemen and the commissions from the equation, you totally remove the bias. The AI doesn't care which university pays a kickback, because, well, it doesn't take them. Its only objective is to build a transparent roadmap tailored strictly to your academic background and your personal budget. It is a stark, absolute contrast to the opaque gatekeeping we were just talking about. And that difference becomes incredibly stark when you compare the two paths side by side. On one side, you have the traditional consultancy. Now, the end goal is the same, getting you to your dream school abroad, but the journey to get there is vastly different. The traditional route comes with a hefty broker price tag and middlemen who actively filter your options. On the flip side, the UROOAI journey totally replaces those commissions with complete transparency. You're getting an AI-powered roadmap that shows you the full landscape of opportunities, which allows you to make clear, unbiased decisions about your own future. Which leads us to a massive, defining metric here, 100%. This number represents the affordability and absolute transparency of the subscription model. When you use an AI copilot like this, it is 100% zero hidden fees and zero commissions. You know exactly what you're paying for, which again is less than a coffee a month, and you have total peace of mind knowing that your recommendations aren't being secretly funded by universities on the back end. It's total reassurance that your future is the absolute only priority. Now that we understand the philosophy behind it, let's transition into how this actually works in practice. Because, let's face it, one of the biggest hurdles for any student is simply figuring out where to apply in the first place. So let's look at how the platform executes its first core feature, getting personalized university matches. If you're taking notes, here is the exact process you'll go through. Step 1 is a deep profile assessment. You input your academic background, your personal goals, and importantly, your real, actual budget. Step 2 is where the AI does the heavy lifting, executing a global matching process that is strictly tailored to the exact parameters you just set. It searches worldwide to find the specific institutions that fit you.
And step 3, which honestly might be the most crucial part, is reviewing transparent, real-world cost estimates. It shows you the actual tuition and living expenses. That way, you aren't hit with massive, heart-stopping surprises after you've already committed and packed your bags.
Just to give you an idea of the sheer scale we're talking about here, the platform casts a massive global net, matching roadmaps with over 200 universities worldwide. And because the platform isn't restricted by exclusive broker contracts, it can access an incredibly wide range of options. It matches you with hundreds of potential institutions from every corner of the globe to ensure you find your absolute ideal destination. Let's move to and see how this builds into the next major hurdle. We all know finding the right school is only half the battle, right? Getting your application in perfectly, navigating that mountain of paperwork, that's the other half. So let's walk through the platform's step-by-step document preparation process. This is designed to be highly instructional and, honestly, foolproof. Step 1, you input your home country and your specific destination. This is absolutely vital because visa and admission requirements change drastically depending on where your passport is from. Step 2, the AI cross-references this to check the highly specific application requirements for that exact pathway. And step 3, it generates a fully tailored document checklist just for you. By hyper-personalizing the paperwork to your specific home and destination countries, it ensures absolutely nothing slips through the cracks. Now, what's really interesting about this insight is how UROOAI goes way beyond just the technical data. They provide a wealth of insider tips and alternative paths derived from practical blog insights and on-the-ground students. For example, did you know that thousands of students bypass the incredibly expensive IELTS exam every single year by using MOI, or Medium of Instruction letters? It's true. The platform actually guides you through alternative English proficiency options just like this. It also features clear-eyed comparisons of the best countries for international students in 2025, based on affordability and future opportunities. It's real, practical advice from people who have actually navigated the system themselves. Which brings us right back to where we started, leaving you with this provocative thought. Millions miss out on fully funded scholarships every single year. Will you be one of them? What we've seen today is that the days of relying on opaque, commission-driven gatekeepers are finally ending. With AI-powered roadmaps providing direct links to scholarships and honest, personalized university matches, you now have the ability to take total control of your educational future. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. The tools are out there. The only question left is, where will your roadmap take you?